Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we analyze the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the BenQ GV31 1080p LED Portable Ceiling Projector with rotating angle projection.
Let's see if it's worth the hype.
The BenQ GV31 is not your average projector. It's packed with features designed to elevate your home entertainment experience.
Let's break it down.
First up, the rotating angle projection. With the GV31, you can project your favorite movies or shows onto the ceiling, giving you a unique viewing experience.
Whether you're lying in bed or hosting a movie night, this feature adds versatility to your setup. And let's talk about resolution.
The GV31 boasts stunning 1080p Full HD clarity. That means crisp, clear images with every frame. Say goodbye to pixelation and hello to immersive viewing.
Now, let's not forget about the audio.
The GV31 comes equipped with a powerful 16W270 bass wireless speaker.
That's right, you'll feel the rumble of every explosion and the depth of every musical note. And here's where things get really interesting.
The GV31 runs on Google-certified Android TV, giving you access to a world of entertainment. From streaming services like Netflix to casting with Chromecast and AirPlay, the options are endless. But what about setup? Don't worry, the GV31 has you covered. With autofocus and 1D keystone correction, getting the perfect image is a breeze. No more fiddling with settings for hours on end. And speaking of convenience, let's talk about connectivity. HDMI, USB-C, Bluetooth 5.0. The GV31 has it all. Whether you're connecting your gaming console or streaming from your smartphone, it's seamless and hassle-free. So, there you have it, the BenQ GV31 1080p LED Portable Ceiling Projector.
With its rotating angle projection, high-resolution display, powerful audio, and seamless connectivity,
it's a game-changer for any home entertainment setup.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy watching.